How to send documents in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send documents in Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Messenger app, let's first visit the App Store over here. So what we're going to do is to check for Messenger is up to date. If you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Messenger. Now, if it says open right here, that means that your Messenger is currently up to date and you'll just be able to do the next steps. However, if that says update, that means that you should update your app so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to send documents. Now, once you have made sure that your Messenger is currently up to date, the first thing that you're going to do first is to download the document that you want to send in Messenger in the My Files app. So once you have downloaded that particular document into your My Files app, just press and hold on that particular document and click on Share over here. And you should see the option to click on the Messenger app over here. If you don't see it, just swipe to the left and you should see the Messenger app. If it still does not show within here, just click on More. And the Messenger app should be one of the options from here. So just click on Messenger and it should open up with this window, and you can just click on the search bar over here and type in the name on where you want to send this document to. So for example, the friend that I want to send this document to is just listed right here. So I'm just going to tap on their name and click on send. Also, you can write a message with this document. So just tap on here. Click on send right here if you have set that all up, and wait for Messenger to process the sending of this document. So we're just gonna open up Messenger right here and see if the document was really sent. And as you can see, the document is sent to that particular friend. So that is how you can basically send documents in Messenger. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.